Hello and welcome. This is a question on a geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is one in which each term gets multiplied by the same number. So if we start with 3 and 12, then we're clearly multiplying by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, 12 times 4 is 48, and 48 times 4 is 192. That's how this sequence is produced, and that's why it's called a geometric sequence. We're multiplying by the same amount every time. So we said we're multiplying by 4, so that means 4 is the common ratio. Okay, that's what we call the common ratio. It's the number you multiply with every time. Okay. Part B is to find the general term of the sequence. Well, for a geometric sequence, it's important not to get confused between geometric and arithmetic. Arithmetic, you add on the same amount every time. Geometric, you're multiplying. For a geometric sequence, the general term an is given by a1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Well, that would mean an is equal to a1 is just the first term, which is 3. R is a common ratio, which is 4 times n minus 1. And that's it. We just leave it like that. You just fill in a1 and you fill in r. Okay, and that's that general term. Okay, and then the last part, find the ninth term of the sequence. Okay, so the ninth term means the index is 9, or n is 9. n is 9. So that means if we use this with an equals 3 times 4 to the power of n minus 1 with n equal to 9, we get a9 is equal to 3 times 4 to the power of 9 minus 1. So that's 3 times 4 to the power of 8. And let's look that up in our calculator. Clear what's there. 3 times 4 to the power of 8. So let's just do the 4 to the power of 8 here first. 4 to the power of 8 is 65,536. 65536. 65536. And if we multiply that by 3, 196,608. 196,608. So you can see how quickly that geometric sequence, even though it started just with 3, gets to some really big numbers. So by the ninth term, we've got to 196,608. Okay? And that's that problem. Thank you.